back to the channel. Guys, I'm excited. We are going to go pick up something that I let slip through my fingers once before, and when it came back up for sale, I wasn't going to let it slip through my fingers. I can't even talk. Not going to let it slip through my fingers once again. And but first, we got to go pick up Cody. He's out at Dover's. We're going to pick him up because I need somebody to drive one of the cars back to my house, and he's available and he's more than willing to go help me. So we're going to pick him up and we're going to head out there and pick up the car, and so we will see you out at Dover's when we pick Cody up. All right, so we picked up Cody and we are headed to pick up the car. Cody, what do you think about it? Yes sir, yes sir. We're not going to tell you exactly what we're picking up yet, but little hint, me and Cody both have driven it.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
So trying to give you guys a little hint, but we are headed there now, so we'll see you there. Oh, this ain't straight, bro.
Camden has some beautiful fucking back roads, man.
Oh shit, 30 mile an hour. That was fun while it lasted. All right, guys, you may remember this car. This is Cody's old car. Cody, what do you think?
Man, it's good seeing it.
Yes. So it came up for sale, and I really didn't want to pass it up. I passed it up when Cody was selling it and kind of regretted it. So when it came back up for sale, I decided it was time to pick it up. So that's what we're doing, guys. Brings back some memories, don't it, Cody?
Yes, it does. Yes, it does.
We're going to have to put some tire on and let Cody take it down the track for old time.
Yeah.
All right, so they're going to ask about this, so we might as well show it to them. If I let it be in the video and don't show it to them. So what all's done to this?
Traditional body dropped. What is it? Bagged over axle. Basic setup, just
It's
had the fuel cell moved up, the bed floor has been raised, it's all been done. It's done fantastically. It was done up in Nashville.
okay. It looks really good. So you're gonna put an LS in there?
Leaning that way, yeah.
Guys, if you see that thing over there, that is his old drift car, and he used to have an LS in it, and that thing would rip. Hey, look at the height difference between you two.
I know, yeah. I'm 5'10".
Cody is 5'10".
Yeah, it's terrible.
Tyler is 6'8".
Yeah.
6'8". That is a sweet truck. All right, guys, so we're about to hit the road. I'm gonna let Cody drive this back to my house for old time's sake. Oh yeah, look at this, guys. He bought this off of another guy with the front bumper and left that on there. All right, you ready, Cody?
Yeah.
All right, he put extended rails on this seat because obviously 6'8", he had to fit in the car. So Cody, you got it all the way back.
Yeah, all the way back.
Can you reach the shifter?
I can touch it. That's about it. That's crazy.
But you can still go up because
Yeah.
you can go further back.
Oh yeah. That's crazy.
It is crazy. All right, you ready? Let's go. Picked up the car. I am very excited, and you're probably asking yourself, well, what's the plans with the car? I'm not quite sure what my future plans are with it. It's just when it popped up for sale, I kind of couldn't let it slip through my fingers because I didn't know. It's a Calypso coupe. It's original 5.0 5-speed car, Calypso coupe, and I really didn't want to let the car slip through my fingers again like I did the first time. So I decided, pick it up and then, we'll see where it goes. As of right now, my plans are still concentrated on the Shelby as of right now. Not quite sure the route I'm going to take with that car when I finally do start playing with it. Cody was actually on the way up there. Cody was actually talking to him and asking me, you know, what is your plans? And I said, you know, as of right now, I don't know. I've always wanted a turbo Fox body, but whether it will be on that engine or it will be on a Coyote, I'm not sure. I haven't really made my mind up yet. But guys, that's in the future. As of right now, like I said, I'm still focused on the Shelby. Of course, buying a car kind of does throw a little monkey wrench in the, you know, how quick everything happens to the Shelby. But I couldn't pass up. I just couldn't pass up buying the car. You know. So, we're still gonna go forward with the Shelby. I was gonna ring out the 1.9 anyway, and so I, you know, throttle body and everything else. So that's still my plans with that, is to ring out the 1.9. And plus we got another car to play with now, so you know, what's not to love. But anyway guys, we're gonna get this car back to the house. Got the car back safe and sound. It's getting dark, so I'm gonna get a lot of footage for y'all right now. However, just want to kind of go over the car for those of you that have not seen it on the channel before, or you brand new to the channel, and you haven't seen this car. As you see, it's got a 96 to 98 Cobra engine. It does have a nitrous kit on it. That was put on right before Cody sold the car. The nitrous kit has still not been used as of right now, because it is not tuned for it, so it's never been used. The bottle's never even been filled up. Am I going to use it? I'm not sure yet. I'm contemplating it. It does have a T45 transmission that Cody, a few months before he got rid of it, actually went through and put new synchros and upgraded everything in there, and it shifts like a dream. Love it. It has a Ford Racing 31 spline differential in it, with the Moser 31 spline axles, with 14 gear in the rear end. So it's no slouch. It's ran a best of that I have personally seen. I've seen it run 770s in good air. It usually runs around 780s, 790s in decent air. So it's no slouch, guys. It's no slouch at all. The car, it needs a little TLC. Got some spot where the paint's flaking off, so they went ahead and primed it and stuff like that to keep the car from rusting up. The car is a good, solid car. As of right now, like I talked about in the video, the plans for it, I'm not 100% sure right now, guys. The car came up for sale. I wasn't even anticipating buying a Fox. I've been thinking about it, but I've also wanted the SN95. So wasn't really planning on buying a Fox, but however, this Fox came up for sale. This particular Fox came up for sale, and I know this car. I know it's a good, solid car, so I don't have to go and get it, put it up on a rack, inspect it, look at the floor pans, you know, everything that you need to watch out for when buying a Fox. I knew this car. I knew it was a good car. So when this came up for sale, even though I wasn't really 100% looking for a Fox to buy at this moment, I went ahead and I couldn't pass it up. I snatched it up. Got it for a great price. And we'll look at the inside. The inside is in fairly good shape. It's, of course, gray interior. This thing right here, as you know, it just keeps coming back up. Put it down, comes back up. Fox things, right? I'm extremely happy to have it. And like I said, I don't know what the plans are for it right now. All I know is that I've got the 500 to do what I want to it, and I've got this car now. So, you know, I might get tied up. I usually don't, like I talked about before, I usually don't like taking on projects or anything like that until I get one car the way I want it. But if I would have waited, this car would have been sold and I wouldn't have been able to get it. And I absolutely love it, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and throw some footage from when Cody had it at the drag strip and everything else. So I hope y'all enjoy. enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't, and we'll see you next time.